All right, welcome back. Lesson 22, homework strategy. So I want to zoom in right here because we got some reading. So let's read. Ling has 72 baseball cards. Ling has 39 more baseball cards than Sal. How many baseball cards do Sal have? Now, on paper, you might think like, oh, just by reading that sentence, hey, I should add so that way I can add and see how many cards that Ling actually has. But they have a question right here. It says Ling. Oh, I can't. There we go. All right, Ling. I still got it on the not the pen. Okay, there we are. All right. Ling has 39 more cards than Sal. So, what it's asking you is what's the difference of the cards between Ling's whole baseball cards and 39 more cards than Sal? Sounds really confusing. But if we just think about it, put our smart pants on, it is a subtraction sentence. So have the student write the subtraction sentence 72 minus or subtract 39 equals. Okay, and we can do this a plethora of ways. I'll do it two ways. I will write a subtraction sentence vertically or the standard logarithm way 72 minus 39. And again, parents, there's 5 different ways or more to figure out how to solve these subtraction problems. No big deal. As long as they get it right, that's all I care about. But here are 2 strategies. We're going to use the vertical way. So I'm going to take away because I forgot my magnifying glass. Bam. All right, there we go. And then we have 72 in the magnifying glass, and I have to look at my ones place first. What number is in the ones place in my magnifying glass? It is 2. Is 2 bigger than 9? No. Can you hold up 2 fingers? Can you take away 9 from 2? No, you cannot. So you have to unbundle a 10, take away 1 from 7, that makes 6, and then take that 1 you just took away from the tens place and put it in front of the 2. Now we have the number 12, and then simply subtract. One subtraction strategy that I teach the kids to do is to grab the number that's under here, right here, 9, and then count up until they get to the big number or the bigger number that's above it, 12. So grab 9 in there, say 9, and count up until you get to 12. 10, 11, 12. So we're holding up how many fingers? 3. So 12 minus 9 equals 3. And then now we simply have to subtract the 6, take away 3. The number in the magnifying glass in the tens place is 6. 6 minus 3 equals 3. And then our answer is 33 more cards. And my writing is working. Good job, Mr. Dixon. Period. All right, let's use it the place value way. Hundreds, tens, ones. And then let's plot our biggest number, which is 72. So 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip. 6 and 7. I keep doing that. 6, 7. Then 2 ones. Now, since I'm subtracting, I don't have to plot 39. I have to take away from the plotted number, which is 72. The biggest number in a subtraction sentence is called the minuend, and the smallest number in a subtraction sentence before the difference is the subtrahend. So I have to look at my ones place. Can I take away 9 ones? No, I tried to make another one right here, but I can't do that. So cross out, we have to unbundle and unbundle 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now I got 12. Now I can take away 9. So start from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then how many ones do I have left? 1, 2, 3. And just write that number down right there. Now I have to take away 3 tens. So I'll start from the top. 1, 2, and 3. How many tens do I have left that's not crossed out or unbundled? 1, 2, and 3. And again, the answer is 33. Here's a bonus one. Let's make a number line way. Let's see here. So I'll make a number line, put the biggest number at right here, which is 72, or the minuend, and then I have to compensate from 39. So what is my next benchmark number from 39, or basically what is my next 10 from 39? It will be 40. Okay? And just for clarity's sake, let me just simply write the subtraction problem at the top of this number line demonstration here. Okay? So I have to figure out, so I have to take away 4 tens from 72. And if I do that, subtract 40, go back, and now make it, take away 7 minus 4 equals 3. 2 minus 0 is 2, so 32. Now, notice how we have 32 instead of 33. So we have to use compensation. I have to ask myself, how much did I add to get 39 to compensate to get to my next benchmark number, which is 40? So 38, 39, how many more do we have to go up from 39 to 40? I need to add 1. I need to add 1 to get from 39 to 40, and then add that 1 to the 32, and that's how we got 33. And that is the number line way. Again, I do not care how you get the answer, as long as you're not cheating. However, use a strategy that you can write out, which will demonstrate your knowledge of how to subtract problems. Other than that, if you have any questions, please contact me on Class Dojo, and I'll be gladly to answer any questions. And I want to say again, thank you for your time and your patience, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye.